Orrin here at Visalia Toyota, going over today headlight restoration on this Camry. Basically just going over the causes, going over the process to take care of it, either do it yourself at home or bring it in and service with us. The cause of this is basically the oxidation from the sun and the beat down that we get in this Great Valley. What you can compare to as rust with metal is sun and plastic, and this is what happens is it yellows, it fogs, it oxidizes, it looks horrible, and it affects the light projection at night and how well you can view at night as well. Today we're going to go through the process. The first process is taping, basically around all the paint, protecting that. Then he's going to light sand it all, and then he'll also polish and clean the headlights to bring it back like a factory new headlight. The alternative to this is basically replacing, which depending on the model can change from $700 to $1,500 for replacing them, compared to the low cost of just resurfacing or restoring them yourself. Once again, this is Orrin at Visalia Toyota. You can count on us for any of your service needs.